Hi there, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out, 2021 Ram 1500. Nice alloys, you got step-ups to get in the truck, black in color, privacy glass around the back, power sliding rear window, nice chrome accents, Bighorn edition, tow package, bed liner inside there. Of course, you got backup camera, four-wheel drive, 5.7 liter Hemi, plenty of power, gets you there fast. Tow something you need, you can do that with this baby. Factory warranty left on it, nice and clean, gray cloth. Let me hop up in here. Looks like you got floor mats that come with the truck. Rear heat and air vents, nice sleek dash line, AM, FM, media, backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel, climate control, dual automatic. There's your terrain select, tow haul button, radio and cruise control on the steering wheel, gear limit button, Bluetooth, power windows, door locks, mirrors, nice analog gauges. This truck's nice, but it's missing something. You know what that is? You need to get down here and buy this one. Check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad. Thanks for watching.